Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. BITSGAP, the grid trading bot we've been using for a while and challenging ourselves on. All-in-one trading platform for your Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. The trading portfolio, arbitrage, signals, demo, bots, everything you need to easily manage crypto assets within one interface. Now, what can I say? The grid bot has been working magnificent for me. They got a lot of exchanges they're supporting, and it's easy and user friendly to use. If you're unsure about it, they do have the demo option. Take some paper money, sign up, play around with it, and learn it. They're pretty standard and straightforward. You also have a 14-day free trial when you sign up, start trading with real money immediately. And thereafter, it will be the normal package subscription. So let's see, how is the challenge been going? Looking at currently at the 5 coins, all of them is running actively. The ones I've reset, I did add the trailing down option as well, which is really good because now it's working both directions, trailing up and trailing down. If we look at both of them, Ethereum BTC is sitting pretty neat right in the middle of my grids, more or less, which is ideal because the more it moves up and down, the more profit it will be making for us. Polkadot sitting decent as well. I do like it when the coins are sitting between the grids because it just shows you it gives opportunities. BNB Binance been on rapid moves, so it's currently trailing down. Looking at this chart, a lot of sell options and no buys at this current stage, but the market will turn around and move back into it without a doubt. XRP, Ripple, they're in the news a lot and it's creating volatility, which helps this coin just to move even better. But let's see, it's a week later since my last update. What does my KuCoin account looks like? So we're going into the trading account. As you all know, I've started the challenge with $5,000. We're up about 20%. And yes, we got quite a bit of Bitcoin available, $262 in 7 days. Small amount of Cardano, a little bit of BNB. And that's more or less it. The KuCoin token I'm using to pay my fees to make sure I get a cheaper fee and I don't pay that expensive. So let's see which coin has been running the longest. XRP has been running the longest, so we'll use that funds today to upgrade my XRP. I'm just going to add exactly the same grids. As you can see here, I'm just going to add more funds. Let's see. The BNB coin, I'm going to trade for Bitcoin to get the maximum amount of Bitcoin back into the trade. Make sure we make it coin, we're compounding it with every possible cent. Yes, you got to remember there's a 5% gap Bitsgap gives itself. So there might be a little bit of funds left over at the end. Let's just sell this BNB to market price. We go. Transaction went through. Let's see. 69 cents. I'm not going to change. Just refresh the page so that BNB should go to 0. Give it a second. BNB is to 0. XRP dot is 26 cents and Ethereum is on 30 cents. I'm not going to play with those. All right, let's go and switch off or cancel my XRP BTC. You can just close the bot and cancel all orders. We'll let it run through. I'm also going to add a trailing stop for XRP now. We go back to bits to KuCoin. We'll see my XRP landing in my available balance to about, still adding up. Here we go. So there's everything is in my available balance, and we have nothing currently in orders. Bitcoin also came up as some of the Bitcoin orders got cancelled. So now we're going to go back. Now, an interesting and an easy way to get into the same setup is all you need to do, you go to your spot history and it will give you your latest setup you've cancelled. As you can see, 50 grids XRP. We'll close it down, click on it, and it will give us exactly the same setup. I'm just going to change it back to 50 grids again, and I'm using every bit of asset available, and I'm also switching on my trailing down option. The stop trailing down means if the market falls below this point, your grids will stay in, it will just not follow it down. I just leave it because it's a standard setting which they give on that exact amount. So now I'm just going to start a bot again. It's buying additional XRP due to the volume added. Let's say yes, buy. And it will accumulate and buy the XRP, and we'll see shortly it starts setting up our bot. Running along. It just makes it so much easier as I keep on building this account. Will I achieve my goal? How long will it take? Leave me your thoughts in the comments. Tell me what you think. Is it an impossible goal to reach 1 Bitcoin? Or how long will it take me to get there as we keep on building towards it? Been at this for quite a while, about 5-6 weeks now, and we've gained 20% in value already since then, which is pretty decent amount. Yes, the market went up, which helps in value as well, so we can't complain. Our XRP bot has started. We go back to KuCoin. Let's see how much funds did it leave us with. $47 and 31 in XRP, meaning it's about $70, $80 left of about 280 odd. So it added another $200 to the bot or the current pair, pushing it up, making it bigger and bigger as we compound to reach our goal faster. Tell me, what do you think? Do you use Bitsgap? Do you like the option of trading crypto against crypto spot trading? And how safe do you think it is? And remember, please hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great one.